Hi, lovely people. How are you? The lighting is off a little bit is because it's after 9 o'clock at night when I'm recording and I have the lights on and I still don't know how to get the color to, make it look really good. So it's kind of like making me look really pale. So let's just move on from that. Let me know in the comments, how is your weekend going? It is Saturday night when I'm recording this. But I got my Target beauty box for August of 2018. If you don't know, every month, I believe it's like around the first Monday of every month, Target has a subscription box that comes out, but it's really not a subscription because normally when you subscribe to something every month, it gets taken out of your account. With Target, you actually have to go in there every month and pick out if you want it. And they range anywhere from 1 to 4 different boxes. So usually it's about $7. Sometimes it's 10 depending on who curated it, what brand. But this month they only had one subscription box and it was $7. But it has been raining in Jersey. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been saying for almost 2 weeks off and on. And this is how my box came. Something is spilled in here. I did take the plastic off. That was it because on the other side had my address. But I have not opened this. I am scared to death to open it, but I really don't need to take the lid off because look. So I don't know what happened. Something in here leaked. So let's just get started. I guess I'll take the lid off. So there is the lid. You can see something leaked all over this. This is the card. Okay. So what looks like is all wet and drenched is the tissue paper that covers it. So this tells you what everything is. Every month you get it. The theme for this month just says hello, summer stunner. And then you normally get a coupon. This is $3 off any beauty purchase, $15 or more. So we will let that dry out. So let me just, oh God, the whole box is going to fall apart. Let me just show you what it looks like. So I'm going to take out, oh, I found what leaked. This is the lotion, the body lotion. Let's see if we can find the lid. Okay, so it came off, but it looks like there's still a lot in there, but that's what happened. Oh my God, this is a mess. Okay, let's just read about it. So, what is this? This is the body lotion in coconut. This is Eden Skin, and that's what it looks like. And this says enriched with vitamin E and shea butter, which softens skin while replenishing its natural moisture balance. So no, it doesn't have the prices on here. So there we go. All right. The next thing, this is the reason why I decided to get the box, because we had a razor. So I have tried this before and like it. This is by Schick. Right there. And this is all wet and everything. So it's just a razor, doesn't say what it is. I'm going to email Target and give them a link to this video so they can see. Here's some more tissue paper. This is by Occur. This is the Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream, which is nice. I am so happy. I love getting day cream, so that's good. This is empty. Oh no, that's another thing. Look, this is completely empty. There is nothing in here, guys. Look. It's empty. So that's what leaked as well. This is not your mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray. I can't get over that. The whole thing, that's why it's so soggy like that. Okay, the next thing is by Simple. This is Sensitive Skin, Kind to Skin Cleansing Wipes, removes waterproof mascara. I have tried this brand before and do like it. It has, how many in here? 7 wipes, so it's enough to try it out to see if you like it. And last but not least, this is a cleanser by Bliss. So that's what that looks like. And this is a 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator with bamboo buffers. So that's good. So I'm going to, when this video is over, kind of like wash a few of these things off. but I will contact them and see if they will send me these 2 samples or a new box. Or I wanted to give this to my daughter because she's leaving for college this month, but this is, I don't know. Anyway, this is like kind of upsetting. I know it's not Target's fault, you know, but let's just see how their customer service is. I never had to deal with their customer service before, but I hear nothing but good things. So I will keep you guys informed how they reacted, how fast they got back to me, and I am definitely going to email them this video so they can see that this is how the box came. And I'm also going to give them a call too, just to see. All right, guys, leave a comment down below if you purchased this Target box. Have you ever had to deal with customer service? Let me know how their customer service is. I really am into customer service, because if there is a box that I really enjoy but the customer service sucks, I normally unsubscribe from them. So let me know. Please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I also leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. You just click on which video that you want to see. And until my next video, bye.